திமிரழகி என் நெஞ்சின் ஆடை களைந்தாய் திமிரழகி.
Hey guys, so let's get started with our brows. The video will be linked down below for my brow tutorial. And we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes. And then we're going to go ahead with the 35B palette from Morphe, focusing on the brown shades right there. We're going to go ahead and really pack in that green color in our crease. As you can see, I'm literally just packing it on till I'm kind of happy with how the color looks. And we're also going to go ahead and extend this color out because I like my eyeshadow to always kind of be extended out. You guys know that. And I know it doesn't look blended here, but we're going to go ahead and take kind of like a burnt orange kind of red shade and use that to really blend out that green. And we're going to be focusing this a little bit by little just to make sure it's nice and blended. And here I'm not packing it here. I'm more so just kind of moving back and forward with my brush. And then we're going to take a smaller brush and just kind of intensify that green again. And also put this on the outer third of the eye, which you guys will see in just a second. Once I'm done that, I'm taking this MAC paint pot. All the product names and colors will be listed down below. And we're just going to go ahead and cut out the crease. So the first third of the eye, I would say 3/4 of the eye, we're going to cut out. And you have to take your time and do this just to make sure it's very neat. So as you can see, I'm literally taking my time and just carving that out. This makes the eye look very clean. So it's one of my favorite things to do. After that, we're going to take a random green eyeshadow and just pack that on the eye. This is going to be the base for our glitter. Taking some glitter glue and glitter, we're going to pack it on the brush. Put some glitter glue on the lid as well and just pack it onto the eye. Notice that I'm doing very small sections at a time. This is what's going to make sure that it's very filled and there's no sparse spots. Now moving on to the face. I also put on some lashes, by the way. Going in with our Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and just dabbing it and really blending it out. I love this brush from Iconic London. As you can see, the foundation, it makes it go such a long way, like a little bit. I absolutely love this brush. Next, we're going in with two Tarte Shape Tape concealers. One that's my one that's my skin tone, and another one that's a little bit lighter. I just put it right on top, and then contouring as well with a cream contour stick. We're going to focus this on the same places I would always contour, as you can see. And then we're going to go ahead and use another blush from Iconic London. I meant brush, you guys know that. And just blend everything out. And then, of course, taking a beauty blender, blending out the under eyes. I love how these two concealers make my under eyes look super bright. And as you can see, I'm also just cleaning up near the eyes, as you just saw, just to create a nice crisp line. And then, of course, blending out the rest of my face as well. We're going to be baking our face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder and kunafa. And as you can see, I'm just packing a lot of that under the eye. I absolutely love a bright under eye look. You guys know that. I never leave the powder on for too long, by the way. And I'm also doing it right under my contour just to clean everything up. We're going in with bronzer now, just to go ahead and add some color back into the skin. Layering it everywhere we basically contoured. So the cheekbones, nose, and forehead area. Also like near my jaw. After that, we're going to go ahead with some blush. I'm going to be using two of the shades and then just applying it right directly onto the cheek. After that, we're going to obviously add some highlight. I've been obsessed with this highlight recently. Sorry about my English. I'm trying to film this while recording and it's kind of hard for me, doing a voiceover after so long. So yeah, just applying it on the cheekbones, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, my chin, and forehead area. I am super oily, so I don't do too much on the forehead and chin. And then we're going to go ahead and add some black liner. And I'm really bringing it down just because we're going to do a really dramatic, like, blown out eye. And then we're going in with some black eyeshadow. And again, just setting all that black liner in place but also dragging it down just a little bit. And then going in with the green we used in the crease and blending it out again. And then I thought that I kind of liked it without the smoking out part, so I'm like, what can I do now? So we're going to go ahead and apply these two lippies. And then after that, we're basically done. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.